Welcome to an example for how to convert the available resources for the virtual adaptations of iHub Bio into an actual lesson using Schoology. So this video here is just designed for teachers to see how I would have taken the resources that were shared district-wide for the iHub biology adaptations, and you can see there's another course that's available through the Teal Day schedule on how to access those resources and how to use them to think through the planning process. So what I did was, this is kind of a follow-up to that, and using all those resources, I created just a lesson one for iHub Bio. So I started with that resource that was shared in the other video, and the lesson one here kind of tells me the big picture, what are the lesson level performance expectations, but what I really focused on was the guidance and timing. And so the adaptations made to the iHub were around the philosophy that because things are slower, we're kind of gearing all individual lessons as taking a full week, trying to do each lesson in 1 week. And that's assuming kids are working 45-50 minutes a day. Throwing in another layer of complexity here is that you will be working synchronously at some point for some time with your students. And so I, for simplicity's sake, am just imagining that I'm at a school where it worked out that I'm doing instruction with my class on Wednesday live. So I used this guidance on timing to see that questions 1 through 4 of the student activity sheet can be done asynchronously. Student discussion happens at question 5, and questions 6 through 9 can be completed asynchronously. So what I did was create like a lesson 1 folder within my Schoology course. I have everything available also in Spanish. I just got those right from the folder for iHub adaptations. The reason I did it like this was just because I think I would want to create some sort of progression requirements for students, and so that way I can get some feedback from Schoology about at least if they watched the videos or opened the documents, right? So that'll give me some engagement data. For our purposes here right now, I'll just walk you through the English stuff. I broke it up into Monday and Tuesday. I would assign students questions 1 through 4 on the student activity sheet. And here they are. And then question 5 I assigned for our synchronous time together. And then questions 6 through 9 I assigned for Thursday and Friday. And then what I did was, because students would see it like this, I provided a video for students to watch. So here's some video instruction for students, and you can go in there and watch those. This is just me pretending to be their teacher, guiding them through, especially early in the year, the first couple times that we do this, especially because these student activity sheets are going to follow a familiar format, and we limited the number of digital components that are required for students to engage in the work. I walked them through step by step how to go through this document and complete it. So I did that for the Monday, Tuesday, and the Thursday and Friday. And I started the Thursday, Friday session off with Sunshine, we just met together on Wednesday. So the real trick here is knowing where in your weekly schedule you will have that synchronous time to work with students, and how that fits in to column D information. So you may need to look at several lessons in a row. If you really want to get creative, you can if you've got different classes doing different days synchronously with you, then you can have your classes in different lessons at different times, so that they're always doing, for instance, question 5 with you when they're with you, with you. Okay, I think that's a good overview. Please email me if you have any questions. Thank you, and good luck.